This is Titan Deep Freeze Cooler. It keeps ice up to 3 days. You can put 48 cans inside. This is a nice looking cooler, and it's very well designed, and the material is very good. The fabric is like a rubber coating. It says wipe clean, so basically you just wipe it, you can clean the outside. And let's check here, like the zipper comes with a little handle, very easy to open, and you can put stuff inside. The bag is actually super big. And this is even bigger one. So here are insulated and come with a little this silver waterproof material. Flip it over, and here are the bungee cords that you can put a towel or anything just on top of here very easily. And this is the Velcro, so to open it is super easy. There's no zipper or there's no locks, just like this. And inside here's a tray, and here you can put lots of cans inside. So now I put 12 in, and you can put another 12, that's 24, and you can put on here, that's totally 48. But actually, you see, if you need this tray, you just can't put that much practically. I think it's safe to say you can put 36 inside this one, and still got room put a lot of fruit and other stuff on the top. Actually, this is very good for camping. You can put a lot of food inside, and actually it can take 3 days. It can keep cold for 3 days inside this cooler. And on the top you can put ice or these ice packs on the top, and also put a lot of cheese, butter, a lot of cooking stuff inside. Overall, it's the capacity is very big, and it's all insulated. And also the inner, this plastic liner can take out. Just take this one out, and all you need to do is just wash the liner. So just like this, you see inside material are waterproof, and this liner you can take it out easily and to go wash this. After wash, you can put this one back in. And for this one, it have a big shoulder belt and come with the anti-slip, this rubber band. And the good thing about this, because it's going to be heavy, so it comes with the 2 side handles. So you can grab the 2 side handles to take it on the vehicle or just take out the vehicle. And on the side here, you got a little pocket. You can put all the drinks or anything else. Both sides have this one. And also the back. So it will protect the inside just in case it dropped or bump on something. This cooler have huge capacity and looks good. On the inside, it can divide it by the tray. I think this is a pretty good family cooler when you go camping or just for a day of the go outdoor to barbecue. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.